Phomopsis seed decay, or PSD, is a fungal infection that can decrease soybean yield and reduce seed quality. The Mississippi Soybean Promotion Board funds numerous research projects to study this disease, with the intended results of discovering new methods and technologies that will reduce its negative effect. Dr. Ann Gillen leads one of these projects at the USDA ARS facility in Stoneville, Mississippi. She and her team are attempting to find out which soybean varieties are the most resistant to PSD.
We inoculated at between R5 and R6. And then we had matured and delayed harvest. We delayed the harvest by 14 days after the standard mature harvest.
The scientists have set up the experiments in a randomized complete block design to maximize experimental efficiency. Overhead irrigation is applied to offset rainfall deficiency during the primary infection period in order to ensure that the experiment has the desired environmental conditions to maximize infection with the Phomopsis organism. In the study, both inoculated and uninoculated plants are carried to maturity. Seeds from these two sets of plants are harvested and are then tested to determine the level of PSD infection.
So to evaluate the trial, we hand harvested at the normal harvest, and at R8 we randomly picked seed from each plot, from the bottom, the middle, and the top of the plants, because Phomopsis is often found more heavily at the bottom of a plant, and we're only dealing with a 100 seed subsample. So you really have to make sure you have everything represented.
When the studies are completed, results will aid other scientists in determining which soybean varieties are likely to have less PSD infection. The hoped-for result is that varieties that are PSD resistant will be identified and then used by other scientists to develop resistant varieties that can be used by producers to negate the effects of PSD in their fields. Your checkoff dollars working for you. The Mississippi Soybean Promotion Board.